Now, how to subtract the mixed number? Let's say we have in here 4.5 subtracted by 3.25 or 3/4. The same thing like the one that we did before doing the addition, we regroup it first. So 4 minus 3 plus a half subtracted by a fourth, right? So 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 1 times 4 is 4, and then 1 times 2 is 2, then subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then 2 times 4 is 8. There you go. So the result will be 128, which is we simplify become 1.25. How become a fourth? Because this is going to be 2 times 1, and then this has become 2 times 4. The 2 we cancel it, so we have 1 and 4. So that's why it simplified become 1.25. However, it will be different if the fraction we have for the first number is a lot smaller than the one that we have from the second fraction. For example, I have in here 4.5 subtracted by 3.5. Let's say like this. A fifth, if I illustrate it in here, this is a fifth. Let's say this is a fifth divided into 5 parts, right? This is 1/5, and then we have a half. So this is fifth and this is a half. The fifth is a lot smaller than a half. That's why a fifth cannot be subtracted by a half. Okay, so that's why we're going to have a borrowing system. We're going to borrow. That's why this one, for this case, we're going to have to change it, the mixed number, we have to change it into improper fraction first. Okay, improper fraction first. So this time we're going to do it first. 4 plus 4 times 5, it's going to be 20. 20 plus 1 is going to be 21. So it's going to be 21 out of 5. Subtracted by, and then here is 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. So it's 7 out of 2. So we have it now is 21 over 5 subtracted by 7 out of 2. Now, these two fractions have different denominator. So that's why we're going to make it the same. We know we're going to use LCM. The LCM of 5 and 2 is going to be 10, right? So we're going to change all these numbers into 10. 5 divided by 2 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is going to be 2. So that's why here is 21 times 2. Subtracted by 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that's why 7 times 5. Okay? The result is going to be 21 times 2 is going to be 42, and 7 times 5 is going to be 35 out of 10. 42 minus 35 is going to be 7. So the result is 7 out of